Hi guys! I've been seeing a craze for Mickey Mouse pumpkins, so I thought I'd make my own. I bought this styrofoam pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a permanent marker, pencil, scissors, a blade, black paper, and some glue. Start off by cutting off the tag. You'll also need something circular to draw out the Mickey Mouse ears. I'm using this mason jar lid because it was a perfect proportion to the pumpkin that I have. Trace out 2 circles. And just cut out both circles. Next, with your blade or knife, starting about 1/2 inch from the stem, cut a slit into the pumpkin about 2 inches long. Make sure you cut at least 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep. Do the exact same thing for the opposite side. Next, insert one ear on one side. And add the other ear. Once the ears are symmetrical and you're happy with the placement, you can add some glue to make sure they stay in place. Before I use a marker, I'm sketching a nose, some eyes, and a mouth. It's a little bit difficult to see the pencil markings, but now I'll be using a permanent marker to make Mickey's face. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more happy crafts.